Hello, this is Asif Hassan. Assalamu alaikum, and you viewer will be absolutely fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. So today I have brought to you the video. It's all about how to become a quality conversationalist. And in English, if you want to be a quality conversationalist, you will have to focus on some of the areas where you are finding yourself weak, or what should I say, you are having difficulties while being spoken English. So I have brought to you some of the solutions for it. I hope you are going to take my video seriously, and you are going to listen me seriously as well. So I hope you have to work hard for it. And before that, I would like to say that don't forget to share me, and don't forget to subscribe me, and keep watching my videos time to time. And let's begin with the topic. The topic I have brought to you is all about how to become a quality conversationalist. Once again, I'm gonna repeat that how to become a quality conversationalist. I have brought to you some of the tips where you will have to come up with the improvement. And exactly, you guys are multi-skilled people. You have a talent, and how you people can become one of the best and influential speaker. If you want to what should I say, that learn something good, so you will have to follow my tips. I hope you are going to enjoy my video. Let's begin with the tips. How to become a quality conversationalist. I want to tell you that most of the students, they are having problem while being spoken English. What problem are those which exactly they are feeling that exactly it's a kind of very big frustration for them. So I want to tell you some of the frustrations which most of the students, they never share. But I think I exactly have been in this profession for quite a long time. It's been more than 2 decades ago that I've been imparting English, and that's why I thought that I think I should make such videos for you, so as you could be able to improve yourself, whether you are having any problem in anything like reading, writing, listening, or anything else. So where there you are finding difficulties, I have been right here to sort out your problem. I hope you are going to watch my video till the end, and I'm gonna tell you about such problem where there you are having problem, especially in conversation. How to start the conversation? It's a normal way. It's an absolutely normal way. Excuse me, yes please, how are you, something like that. But you can start another way. Hello, what's up, what's happening? You have a different kind of criteria. You have different kind of methods. You can adopt those of the method, but particularly today I have brought to you this video that how you can improve your conversation. So first tip I would like to share with you that you have to come up with the quality GV. GV means journal vocabulary. Journal vocabulary should be absolutely perfect, and whatever you are speaking, that should be quality. You will have to use the quality content in spoken English. Different kind of stuff, like if you are using idioms, so better use quality idiom, better idiom. And I would like to say about there are two kind of way in our in our world, American and British. British and American, both English, most of the students, they tend to follow American, and most of the students, they tend to go after Britain. So it's all about, it's up to you that whatever criteria you are going after. So it's not a matter, but you will have to come up with the quality wording. Wording means that you will have to study different kind of novels, different kind of books. At the same time, if you want to improve your GV, if you want to become a good conversationalist, So I think it's gonna be very nice for rest of you all student as well, for everybody whosoever is learning English. So just focus on such things like variety word. The first tip I have given you, the variety. I have brought to you so many tips regarding English, and today I have brought to you how to become a quality conversationalist, how to become a quality speaker in English. So the first tips I have given you, it's all about that you have to use the variety word, different kind of word. The quality word you will have to use in your conversation. So for that matter, you will have to find out whether you are finding out, or anything else, like you are looking up the word from the dictionary, or if you are reading any novel, such things I think are going to be very beneficial for you. At the same time, not only words, but also you must be very confident that whatever you are speaking, that is the right. Okay, so I think it's a very important thing that you will have to give such things the first priority. That if you are very confident, you are going to be the best speaker. You will turn out to be the best. You will turn out to be the second to none. If you want to be a second to none, so you will have to come up with the different kind of ideas regarding English. The first tip I have given you, that you have to come up with the different kind of GV. Simultaneously, you will have to boost up your confidence level. If you want to boost up your confidence level, so you will have to be with such people who are very confident. Keep in touch with such people who are very confident, who are very skilled, those people who have got the proficiency. They are very outstanding on account of speaking English. So in this way, your confidence is going to be boosted up. If you want to boost up your confidence, so you will have to keep in touch. You will have to be associated with such people who are speaking different kind of variety word, as well as they are the confident. So second tip I have given you, it's all about that you have to keep in touch with such people who are very confident. In this way, your confidence is going to be boosted. So the third one I would like to share with you, that you will have to create atmosphere around you, so as you could be able to speak English with different kind of people. Different kind of people means, if you have a different kind of people, means that if you are having an association with different people, if you are having a conversation with many people, so everybody has a different mind. You have a different school of thought, I have a different school of thought. My concept will be different, my wording will be different, your wording will be different. So you will have to keep in touch with so many people. You will have to create atmosphere around you. In this way, I think you will turn out to be the quality conversationalist. If you want to be a quality conversationalist, so you will have to adopt this policy. The third tip I have given you, I have brought to you so many tips. There are so many. I have plenty of tips for you guys, and you will have to make the most of it. So the way I have told you, not only you have to listen me, but you will have to act upon my advices, the way I am telling you. At the same time, on a regular basis, you will have to keep in touch with different kind of thing, like newspaper, books, novels, so many things and all. You have many facilitation nowadays, and social media, so many things are there. You can improve yourself with time to time. So I think in this way, I think your English is going to be much better. And one more tip I would like to give you, the fourth one. The fourth one tips I would like to give you, that if let's suppose you have nobody, if you have nobody to speak with, you have to speak yourself. You are talking yourself. Sometime right in front of mirror you are standing and you have to speak right there. In this way, I think your conversation is going to be better. If you haven't got any of the friend or any of the person who is speaking English in your locality where you are studying or where you are learning, so I think you will have to create atmosphere around you. You will have to start with yourself, that you will have to be right in front of mirror and you will be speaking right in front of mirror. In this way, I think your English is going to be improved. If you want your English to be improved, so you will have to take yourself the initiative. Exactly, you can take. You have authority. You can do this. So that's why I have brought to you this video. Keep watching my video till the end, so as you may know about each and everything. At the same time, you have to be associated with such people who are very educated. Educated means their background is very what should I say, related from the education, and they are very experienced. You have to keep in touch with such people, those who are very experienced people. So in this way, definitely or certainly you will be making the most of from their knowledge. We learn different kind of thing from different people. Sometimes it happens to be that we are teaching in the class and most of the students, they are asking questions, and if you never know about any word the student has asked you, but you never know about that of the word, the next day you come up with the answer of that question or word. If let's suppose any of the student asks you any question regarding any word, anything else, he asks you, but you are unable to respond. Okay, I am talking about the teacher. Sometimes it happens to be that teacher is teaching in the class and student is asking question in English, and he asks a word of English. Meanwhile, what happens that you never know about that word, then you try to what should I say, that tell him that I'm gonna tell you next time round. So next day you go and you look up the word from the dictionary, and right after that the next day you apprise that of the student about the word. You apprise about that word. It means you are learning from your student as well. So life is a kind of learning cycle. It's a cycle of the learning. Okay, so basically you will have to learn each and every day. Every day you have to learn. Okay, so this is going to be the nice step for you, that you just have to come up with the improvement and not to think about that you have learned everything. Not at all. Your life, your whole life is going to be the learning process I'm talking about. So I hope the way I'm telling you, you must be thinking about me that exactly I'm saying right. Because the English language, it's a kind of very comprehensive field. It's very vast, and you will have to take it seriously, because where there you go, English is spoken. It's considered to be the international language. We are absolutely familiar about it, and we can never deny about this fact. So that's why I would like to give you some of the tips regarding this, and keep watching my videos and follow rest of my tips which I have given you. But one more tip I would like to give you, that always respect your teacher. If you are going to respect your teacher, he will teach you everything in a positive manner. Being a teacher, this is a responsibility of the teacher, that teacher should teach about each and every aspect of the topic. If you are learning English language classes, you better keep in touch with such people who have got the ability, who are considered to be the skilled people. So in this way, I think your English is going to be better. At the same time, On and I would like to tell you one more thing, that I think more than 2 hour, I think you will have to give for language more than 2 hours. In this way, I think your English is going to be improved. With the time progress, I think you will be the better speaker. You will turn out to be the better speaker. So I think the way I have told you regarding different kind of tips, that the most of the tips I have given you, like I would like to repeat it again, that you will have to create atmosphere around you. You will have to keep in touch with the newspaper. You will have to utilize in your English quality wording. You will have to be associated with the people who are speaking quality word. I think in this way things are going to be all right, and you will turn out to be the better speaker. So I hope you would have enjoyed my video, and you would have enjoyed my conversation the way I have told you about. And I think I will keep giving you such videos time to time.